Okay, class 4, so today let's continue with the next part of your chapter 3 of computer book, that is more on Windows 10. Before this, we read about the two main components that were icons and taskbar, and we also came to know about how can we place the taskbar, in different positions on your desktop. We also came to know about each of the icons on your taskbar, what is that for, and then we also came to know about your desktop background, that how that you can change it and what is that actually. Okay, so we just came to know that we can change the desktop background, but how will we change the desktop background is what we will start our chapter from. Okay, so changing the desktop background. The background image on your desktop screen is called the desktop background. Okay, so this you can see at the back is your desktop background. Fine. You can change these images according to your choice. Windows 10 provides a wide variety of images to choose from. To change the right background image, follow these steps. So these are the steps and then we can change it. Right click on the blank area. Okay, so right mouse button, you will click on the right mouse button at the desktop. Okay, blank area, the right click menu will appear. Okay, this menu will appear. All right, this is how it looks like. View, sort by, refresh, undo, move, Intel and graphics settings, new, display settings, personalize. All right, now you have to click on the personalize option. The personalize settings windows open, so this will open. Okay, click the background option in the left. Here is the background option, click on that. The background page will come up. Here will be the background page, it will come up, and then you can allow and it will allow you to change your background picture. You can also preview it. Okay, and then you can choose from several photos which are already pre-embedded in it, and also if any of your photos you have put in it, you can choose that also. Click on the box underneath background to choose between a picture, solid color or slides for your background. Okay, then you can choose it from here. There are different options, and then click and choose any of the available pictures. Then you will click and choose any of the available picture. All right, so you can see background. So from here you have chosen pictures. So these are the pictures. You can click on browse and then you can look at different pictures in your computer. Okay, now the picture chosen, so whichever picture you have chosen, that will become your desktop background. You can see the wallpaper got changed, right? So this is how it will look. Now changing the Windows color. Windows color refers to the color of the taskbar, start menu and borders of the window. Okay, so that is the color of your taskbar, start menu and border of the window. So to change that, you have to follow these steps. Right click again on the blank area at the desktop. Okay, the right click menu will appear. Click on personalize option again. Okay, so again your personalization setting windows will open. So in the personalization window, left click or tap on the colors feature. You see here is the colors feature, so you will select that. Okay, which is at the left side. Now you have to choose the show color option for start taskbar and action center feature. Okay, so you have to click on this, and then here you can choose the default app mode like light or dark. These themes are now even available in the phones, like light theme and dark theme. Now from the list of colors, left click or tap on a color you wish and choose the settings window. Now here are the list of colors. Okay, so you just have to tap on a color you want to use it. Okay, and then close the settings button, it will get changed. Okay, now setting screensaver. We all know what is screensaver when we are not using the computer and we do not want it to and we do not want like other people to see what we are using, like sometimes. So, or if you have not used your computer for some times, you have left it idle, then screensaver appears on your computer. Okay, it is an animated image. Okay, when your computer is left idle for some time, the original screen comes back as soon as you press a key from the keyboard. If any key you press from the keyboard, okay, or move your mouse also, your normal screen will come back. To change the screensaver, follow these steps. All right, you have to follow these steps. Type screensaver in the search box, okay, next to the start button. So you will write here screensaver, and then you will get these many options, okay. Click change screensaver option. Fine, so you have to click on change screensaver. Fine, the screensaver window appears. All right, select the screensaver from the screensaver drop down. So from here, okay, you can select it, you can preview it, okay, you can check for how many minutes if your screensaver, if it is left idle, okay, then you can click it here. Fine, in the wait you can specify your minutes कि कितने देर तक आपको वो स्क्रीन सेवर चाहिए, ठीक है. Click on the preview so you can check how it will look like, and then click on apply and then click OK button. When it's done, click on apply and then click OK button. The screensaver is used to maintain privacy while not working on the screen, as I said, okay. Working with an app. Whenever you open an app, file or folder, it appears on the screen in a box or frame which is called an application or app window. We can move them, change their size, or just make them go away. Now, parts of an app window. These are the parts of an app window, okay, of an app window. Menu bar, it is located just below the title bar. So this is the title bar, okay, and this is the menu bar where you get other options like file, edit, format, view, help, etc. Title bar will display the name of the window. Minimize button, it will reduce the size of the screen to the taskbar. Maximize will enlarge it to full screen. Close button will close the window, okay. Scroll bar, it helps you to go up and down, and border, it shows the limiting area. So this is the title bar, this is the menu bar, this is the minimize, this is the maximize, this is the cross button, okay, this is the scroll bar, okay, and that's the border. Fine. So this is another window, okay, another button for window control, okay. You can also control it from here. It appears when the window appears in full screen. When you click on this button, it makes the window smaller than the maximum, and this button changes to the maximize button, okay. So this is another button which you can use for window control, okay. So it will appear when your window is in full screen, okay, and when you click on this, it will make your window smaller than the maximum, ओके. व्हेन इस पे आप क्लिक करोगे तो ये आपके विंडो को मैक्सिमम साइज से स्मॉल कर देगा थोड़ा सा, एंड देन ये जो बटन है वो मैक्सिमाइज बटन में चेंज हो जाएगा. तो जब आप फिर से इस पे क्लिक करोगे देन योर स्क्रीन विल गेट मैक्सिमाइज्ड अगेन, okay. Now quick recap. The operating system is the most important program installed on the computer, okay. Microsoft Windows is a GUI based OS, operating system, graphic user interface, GUI, okay. There are several versions of Windows such as Windows 98, 1000, XP, Vista, etc. Windows 10 is the latest version of it. The first screen that appears when you switch on your computer is the desktop. The taskbar can be dragged to any four sides, okay. Left, right, top, bottom of the desktop. The background of the desktop is called wallpaper. When your computer is idle for some time, that is not in use, an animated image appears on the monitor, and that is called the screensaver. Whenever you open an app, file or folder, it appears in a box or frame called an application window. A dialog box is a special type of window that asks you a question, allows you to select options to perform a task, or provide you with information, okay. So that's it for this chapter. Have a good day.